Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how we can implement the VPC flow logs in any VPC. The VPC flow logs helps us check the logs like what was rejected, what was accepted when any traffic came or go outside our VPC. So this will help us identify if there are any vulnerabilities or some hacking or someone like trying to brute force your uh, VPC or any instance. So these logs really help identifying and track down the issue to its depth. So we will see how we can get this done. This is a very simple thing, like you can do easily. So first we will go to VPC, and you can go to your VPC. Then we will select this VPC. Okay. And as you can see, there's a flow logs option and it's currently empty. So either you can click on create flow logs, or you can go to actions and create flow logs, right? So I will name it because I like VPC is named as CI/CD, so I will name it CI/CD. I would want to like track everything like accepted, rejected, like both of the traffic. So in that case, you need to select all. So the next is for how long the packets are getting captured. So in that case, we will give it to 10 minutes, because 1 minute will be a little more costly if you have high traffic in your instance. Okay. So the second option is we need to select a destination, and currently I haven't created any log groups. So we will go to our CloudWatch. You can just go here and select CloudWatch. Okay. I had already opened this in a tab. Just go to CloudWatch, go to logs and go to log groups. Okay. And after that, click on create log group. We will name it, let's name it VPC flow, and I will name it CICD. Okay. Uh, this is the retention period. You can set it to any number which is specific, like for SOC 2 or other compliance. You might need to exceed it to more than a year, or you can. They sometimes ask for a never expire. So it's up to you. I will like it's not important for me, so I will click on never expire. I will continue with the log class to the standard, or you can go with the infrequent access also. That would take some time to fetch the data. Okay. You can also add the tag when you are working on production environment. I highly recommend using. So it's like easily other services can be integrated with it as well. Okay. So this part is done. Now I will refresh this. I will search here VPC. Okay. Flow CICD. So our log is created, and you will see when it will ask for the service access. Either you can create a custom roles, but I recommend using a separate role for it, and that's what I'm going to do here. I will name it like CloudWatch CICD, so it's easy for me to identify. Okay. And I will like go with the log format, which is like by default from AWS. So if I want to integrate anything with the AWS services, it's helpful. Okay. So again, I will create this flow log. So I had already deployed one EC2 instance inside this server. Okay. So let's see, the log is getting reflected here. It might will take some time. Okay. It's not like doing anything because there's no traffic in my instance, right? So if I go here, I connect my instance. After some time, I will start seeing that this instance got connected with this, or this was not working. Any issue it has. Okay. So I might need to modify this one. Okay. So I will modify this to all, and I will say this like this is not best practice. If you are want to get compliant with any certification, you might will get notification that you have allowed SSH connection from anywhere. So I recommend you restrict it to IP. But because it's a test environment, I'm using like allowing SSH from all IPs. Okay. So let's see. Okay, we are in. And for the flow log part, it might will take some time because we recently created it. Okay. So I will wait for some time and let's see what we get. Okay. So I'll pause the video until then. Alright, guys. So after some time, the logs came up. Like it was less than a minute because I tried to connect using my C2 instance to SSH. And as you can see, it started giving me the all the logs that like this is the private IP of my instance. This is the like IP being used and different IPs. Okay. So I might have to look into it because it's giving a custom IP here. Like both are the private IPs. So yeah. So this is how you can identify like which logs, which services or which IPs are trying to connect to your VPC instances inside your VPC network. So this is a very simple task, but this is very important if you want to get compliant, and highly recommend it using for your certifications as well. When I talk about certification, I meant SOC 2 and compliant certifications, which are needed for any organization when they want to showcase that our infrastructure is highly secured or not. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys like this video, and if you are trying to do this step, you are easily able to do it. Okay. So that's all for this video. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Okay. Bye bye.